We bought this to transport 2 kayaks. We were thrilled when we were able to slide our son's kayak in the middle. We installed the racks on our 2018 Dodge Durango Citadel. I have read some negative reviews of the included straps. I am just wondering if these people installed the straps correctly. We drove through the Ozarks winding roads along with interstate highways. We were able to travel the speed limit and even a little over. We always checked the straps every time we stopped. But we really didn't need to as there was nothing to change. I gave the easy to assemble a 4-star because the instructions were only pictures, but easily figured out. I put the first 2 together myself, only asking for help to hurry up and get it done faster. Based on the website photos, every in-use picture show displayed the quick nuts on, not the Nillock nuts. The installation drawing clearly shows only use of the Nillock nuts. I assumed the pressure between the bottom plate and heavily tightened quick nuts would be sufficient easier than using the Nillock nuts. First trip out, 26-minute drive. I lost 4 quick nuts, 2 small brackets, and 3 other quick nuts were perilously close to dropping off. My strapping tie-downs prevented any catastrophes during this drive. Contacted vendor via Amazon, and they quickly sent replacement parts. Deep kudos to them for reacting favorably to my predicament and sending replacements free of charge. Perhaps use on a trailer. Poor suspension versus use on vehicle roof. Good suspension exacerbated the vibrations causing the issue. For added peace of mind, grabbed 3-stroke 8-lock washers. Sure, this is overkill, and used in conjunction with the Nillock nuts. Next trip, no issues.